Hello friends, welcome to Trend Tech Guide. Today I'll show you how to hide likes on Facebook. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my phone. Now I'll tap on this Facebook and now you can see likes are visible over here. Now to disable this all, first of all tap on your profile icon over here. Then after that tap on this gear icon. And after that, scroll down and over here you'll find this reaction preferences. Tap on this and now over here you can find this hide number of reaction. That means it will hide your likes on Facebook. Over here you can find this on posts from others. That means the number of reaction will be hidden on the post from others. After that, here's also on your post. That means if you turn this on, you'll not be able to view likes on your own post as well. So in this way, we can hide likes on Facebook. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.